अनीता वर्मा। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7 इंग्लिश बुक हनीशकल चैप्टर 4 एंड इंडियन अमेरिकन वुमेन इन स्पेस कल्पना चावला की वर्ड मीनिंग एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर। स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्पेस इनफिनाइट एक्सपेंस इन स्काई अंतरिक्ष। स्पेस शटल ए स्पेशल व्हीकल that is used for space travel अंतरिक्ष यान। रॉकेट a cylindrical vehicle used for carrying things into space प्रक्षेपक। crew members of people working in spacecraft अंतरिक्ष यान का जत्था। aboard within the spacecraft यान के अंदर। मिशन टारगेट लक्ष्य। ट्रेजेडी मिशप दुर्घटना। फ्रंटायर्स आउटर लिमिट सीमा रेखाएं। एरोनॉटिकल रिलेटेड टू द पायलटिंग ऑफ ए स्पेस वायुयान संचालन संबंधी। एस्ट्रोनॉट ए पर्सन हु ट्रैवल इन स्पेस अंतरिक्ष यात्री। लॉन्च पैड द प्लेटफॉर्म फ्रॉम वेयर द स्पेसक्राफ्ट लिफ्ट्स ऑफ जहाँ से अंतरिक्ष यान ऊपर उठता है। नेचुरलाइज्ड ग्रांटेड ऑल द फैसिलिटीज ऑफ ए नेचुरल बोर्न सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री जिस व्यक्ति को देश के सभी सुविधाएं प्रदान कर देता है जो अपने नागरिकों को देता है। लाइसेंस्ड ऑथराइज्ड अधिकृत। सर्टिफाइड अटेस्टेड प्रमाणित। हायर टेकन इनटू सर्विस नौकरी में लगना। परफॉर्म्ड कैरिड आउट काम पूरा किया। पोलिनेटेड फर्टिलाइजिंग विथ पोलन पराग से निषेचित करना। ऑब्जर्व नोटिस अध्ययन करना। डिसएस्टर मिसअप दुर्घटना। शॉक वायलेंट इमोशन झटका। डिसबिलीफ नॉट रेडी टू बिलीव अविश्वास। ग्लूड स्टक चिपके रहे। सर्वाइव्ड रिमेन अलाइव जीवित बच गए। एनमरस ए लॉट ऑफ बड़ी मात्रा में। एनसाइक्लोपीडिया पीडियक वेस्ट बहुत अधिक। अवे इंस्पायरिंग स्टनिंग अति प्रेरणादायक। विजन ड्रीम स्वप्न। क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वेयर वाज कल्पना चावला बोर्न? वाई इज शी कॉल्ड एन इंडियन अमेरिकन? आंसर कल्पना चावला वाज बोर्न इन करनाल हरियाणा as she took birth in India. She was an Indian citizen. She also obtained American citizenship and married an American, so she is called an Indian American. Question number 2 when and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? She went to the US for a master's degree in aeronautical engineering. She married an American flight instructor, Jean Perry Harrison. Question number 3 how did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Answer Kalpana had earned her PhD in aerospace engineering in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Her first space mission was in the Space Shuttle Columbia. After qualifying as a pilot, the idea to become an astronaut came to her mind. Question number 4 what abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? Answer an aspiring astronaut must have enormous ability and knowledge. One should have encyclopedic knowledge from biology to astrophysics physics to aeronautical engineering. Question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Answer. Kalpana Chawla's first mission was in Space Shuttle Columbia. It lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes. She went round the Earth 252 times and traveled 10.45 million kilometers. Apart from Americans, the crew also had a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. They performed many experiments. Question number 6. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Answer. In her message from about Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana assured them that they could possibly realize their dream to success. She wished them to set vision to that path and walk on it with courage. Yes, success is possible with hard work, focus, and dedication. Question number 8. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's in ill-fated voyage. Answer. Date. The place of lift of 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Number 2. Number of astronauts on board 7 including Kalpana Chawla. Number 3. Number of days is stayed in space 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists 80. Date. The return journey on February 2003. Height at which is lost contact 2,000,000 2 lakhs feet. Working with language. Match the following. Unprecedented space tragedy. A sad accident of kind that has never happened before in space. A person with the correct. Number 2. Certified flight instructor. A person who with the correct qualification to teach people fly planes. Space mission. A set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Super specialization. Great expertise in a limited field on a particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Inspiring. Something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. In this age, nowadays, in these times. Number 8. Use these phrases in sentences of your own after finding out their meanings. Broke apart. ये अलग अलग आंसर हैं इसमें. ब्रोक अपार्ट. सेपरेट. द एरोप्लेन ब्रोक अपार्ट इन मिड एयर व्हेन इट कोलिडेड विथ ए लार्ज बर्ड. स्टिकर्ड ओवर. Moved in a straight line. A superfast jet sticked over the morning sky. Number 3. Spread across. Scattered darkness soon spread across the theater. Lifted off. Took off. We were lifted off in an Air Force helicopter. Blast off. Took off noisily. The streetlights blasted off from the space station on time. Went on. Continued. The argument went on for a few minutes. Cheered along. Encouraged. The young crowd cheered along as the pop singer started to sing. On board. Inside a large vehicle, there were many people on board the ill-fated train. Carry on. to continue to do something, carry on with your good work. We add un to make opposite. For example, to का untrue add un. इसमें इसके स्टार्टिंग में हमें अन ऐड करना है. आइडेंटिफाइड अन एंड आइडेंटिफाइड, कंट्रोल अनकंट्रोल, अटेंडेड अनअटेंडेड. इसकी तरह इन सब में अन पहले लगेगा स्टार्टिंग में. 6 लेसन 4 इंग्लिश. एंड इंडियन अमेरिकन वुमेन इन स्पेस कल्पना चावला के क्वेश्चन आंसर और वर्ड मीनिंग्स. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कीजिए. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.